Press Shift A and add a Bezier curve. Give it a material and increase the bevel depth. In edit mode, select all and press X, then choose delete vertices. While still in edit mode, activate the draw tool and set projection depth to surface. Set taper end to 1 so the hair tapers to a point. Check only first and set it to normal view, so the hair is drawn in the direction of the normals. Now you can start drawing hair strands on the character. You can still adjust the bevel depth to change the hair thickness if necessary. After you've got enough hair, you can manually adjust the curves to make it perfect. To change the shape of the strands, you can use a custom profile.